So, if you are, that was fast. If you are interested in buying either the Google Mini, the Home, or the Max, or even if you don't want to buy it, or you're maybe you will, maybe you just want to learn more, just have a good time, just sit back, eat some nachos, and just watch a cool video. Let's just get into this. So starting off with cost, so the Mini is going to cost $80, the Google Home is going to cost about $180, and the Google Max being the big $500 speaker. So the next thing to look at is functionality. What is the difference between the three? Why am I paying more? What is happening? And the answer is simple. They all do the same thing. But for a more detailed answer, the biggest difference is just going to be in the speaker, and that really is the only difference. There's nothing that you can do with one that you can't do with the other. They all can tell you what time it is, the weather. They can really tell you whatever you like. I mean, I asked mine what kind of fruit I was the other day. I found out that I am a kumquat. So if you're buying them for music, I would say probably buy the Google Home or the Google Max, depending on how big into music you are, what kind of room you gotta fill. If you're just gonna be putting it in like a kitchen or like a smaller room and not actually listen to music, just buy the Mini. There's really no point in buying anything up from that. If it's a bedroom and you maybe listen to the odd music or whatever, Mini will still do fine. It's not that bad of a speaker, and a lot of people still just have the Mini, or they'll set up multiple Minis around the room, and then you can play music through all of them. So moving up to the Google Home, that is the kind of the middle one. That's the one that's $180. That is the middle child of the three. It's actually a really good speaker. If you look at other speakers that are around $180, the Google Home, I would say, outperforms all of them. You can talk to it unlike you can with other speakers. You can talk to your other speakers, it's just not going to talk back. But the Google Home, as with the other Googles like the Mini and the Max, is they all have to be plugged in. So that means that you're always going to need to have Wi-Fi. They don't have their own battery. The only way that they get power is being plugged in. That could be seen as a disadvantage. These are meant for in-home. They're not really meant to be taken around and going outside and throwing it in your pool. Anyways, back on track. So looking at the speakers, we are going to do a comparison between the three, the Mini, the Home, and the Max. It's kind of fun to say, the Mini and Home. We're going to head over there because that's where I got them all.
What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know?
So that'll be it for the sound comparison and pretty much the comparison for this video. This video wasn't so much to go over what they can do. This video is more kind of the differences between them. So I think that's going to be it for this video though, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for the support. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, spank it, tickle it, do what you need to do. As well as if you guys have any suggestions, any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. This video's shout out is going to go to BruceyBrucee. He's an awesome YouTuber, he really is, and he's got some really funny videos, so I suggest you go check out his channel. The link to his channel will be down in the description below. But as always, guys, have lots of good snacks, lots of good food. Maybe have a rib dinner, or hey, if you're hungry after all those nachos. I'm actually I'm out of breath. I ran upstairs to go get a Kit Kat for the end of the video. I'm out of breath. Anyways, guys, hopefully you're more in shape than I am. Eat those nachos. That's probably why I'm out of shape. Have a good day, guys, and goodbye. Don't inhale Kit Kat. It doesn't feel good.